coming today. On Auntie Bookworm, we are doing some science experiments and we're going to learn a little bit about the properties of solids and liquids. So, we have with us today a solid and a liquid. Our solid is baking soda and our liquid is vinegar. We're going to use those two to create a gas. Now, you might think that baking soda looks not very solid right now. Here's what it looks like. It's just a powder, but it used to be a big rock, and the rock got ground down to create the powder for us to use. It's useful for all kinds of things. We're going to take that baking soda and put it inside the balloon. So I've attached a funnel onto the balloon, and I've already done quite a bit. It's all filled up with baking soda inside. So that's a solid, and solids hold their shape, don't they? Liquids, on the other hand, do not hold their shape. They form the shape of the container that they're in. So right now the vinegar's in that bottle and it's taking the shape of the bottle. It's going to go in the quarter cup measuring cup, and it takes the shape of the cup. Now it's going to go inside the water bottle and it takes the shape of the water bottle. All right, so we've got our liquid and our solid. We're gonna mix them together and see if they can indeed blow up the balloon. Now, you might notice I put the little ring from the water bottle on the balloon, and I'm going to use that to help me attach it onto the water bottle in a moment. So we're going to pull this down. Try not to get the baking soda in there yet. We don't want the reaction to start. Alrighty. Are you ready, friends? Let's see what happens when we put the baking soda into the vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, is the balloon gonna blow up? I say it did. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's a little more baking soda in there holding it down. But there you go. Well, that was easier than blowing up a balloon myself. So solids and liquids, they have their own properties. Solids have their own shape, and liquids take the shape of the container they're in. And sometimes when you mix solids and liquids together, they can cause reactions like this to happen and create gas. Awesome science today. Maybe that's one you can try at home. Check out the link in the comments that will show you more details on how to do this experiment. Bye!